Hi class, this is a quick video about expectations and a few tips to help you in the next few days. My very first tip is to make an agenda or a schedule of things to do. You can use a pen and paper or your notebook, whatever you have on hand. You can even use an app on your phone if that's something you prefer, or what I shared with you yesterday through an Excel sheet. Well, you can enter your information for each period, maybe information about live conversations or chats that you will be having with your teachers and expected things to be done for each specific day, including deadlines. Let me share with you a quick example of an app that I've been using. This is called Google Keep. It is connected with your Google account, which is awesome because that means you can put reminders on your calendar. For example, here I have my thing to do tonight is to take out the trash, and you can set an alarm or a reminder for you. You can also enter information that you have to do, maybe a checklist for yourself. Okay, let me pull up an example right here. For example, for social studies, notice how I've marked these off. These are 2 things on my checklist, which means I've done them, for example. Say before you did those, they normally look like this, which means on the 26th, I need to meet a deadline, I need to get my notes done and this whole chapter read, because the following day, I need to turn in my work. So once you've done each of those, you can go ahead and click on them. This means you've done them. You've accomplished those tasks, okay? You have the option to pin it on top, which means it's a priority you need to complete at this time. And you can definitely do it with your other classes as well. So much for that. Let's continue with the expectations and tips. Okay, make an agenda. Another one, you will have live conferences or discussions with your teachers. In my case, I'm not asking you to be on video, but please put your microphone on mute. I ask this because there will be a number of us on there during the session, and it is impossible to listen to each other when we're all talking at the same time. So please do that. If you do have a question, you have the option to type in your question as a chat. This will be directly sent to me as a private message. Another option is, because we are using Zoom, it is a very cool program where you can virtually raise your hand, and you will see that as soon as we go in on Monday. Okay. Please follow deadlines. You should know your due dates. They will be given to you. Very, very clear on that. And please respect one another's time. This is why I ask you not to turn on the microphone, because that will delay us. And so during these live conferences, please pay special attention to questions that will be raised. If you've already heard the question being raised, please refrain from repeating it one more time. This will save us so much time, okay? Any other questions or concerns, you can definitely send them to my email, and I will get back to you in a timely manner. There are a few resources available at this time. Texas Instrument is providing their software for free, which you can download on your computer or your phone or iPad. And I will share a link in a different video for you. And Desmos is another free tool that you can use. You can download their app on your phone. It is also free, and you do not need to sign in if that's another concern you may have. All the lessons we will be having in the next few days will be shared through videos, so please make sure you have subscribed and turned on the notification for my YouTube channel. And moving on, I will make sure to share a checklist with you so you know exactly what you're expected to do for the week or for the day or the session, whichever that may be. If needed, please take a photo of your work. What I mean is a picture of your solutions. Yes, I will be expecting you to write your work down still. And at times, some of us will need more than a single page to do our work, and that's absolutely fine. Just make sure you do upload every single page that you have used. I did make accommodations on our Google Classroom to allow you to upload more than a single page. You'll see it soon. Completely submit assignments, as I've created this 1 minute tutorial for you in my channel. If you are still needing help with that, please check it out. Make sure you hit the mark as done button so that it's turned in, or the assignment is turned in, whatever that may be. And of course, your online book is a very useful tool. There are so many great resources on that. There are videos, practice materials, immediate feedback can be provided from the actual practice where it gives a short explanation, okay? And this is the time you really want to read every single post, reread it as many times as possible as you need to. Stay updated, okay? And of course, please continue to be kind, continue to be respectful, be very patient and understanding during this transition, and of course, continue to be persevering and honest in all your work. I am here for you. If you need anything, please feel free to reach out. I will do my best to get back to you and respond in a timely manner. I shall see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.